Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make brownies super easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Having an 8x8-inch baking pan ready is also key for a smooth process. Now, let's get to mixing. Begin by melting your 1/2 cup of butter. Once melted, pour it into a large bowl and stir in the 1 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. Next, crack in your 2 large eggs, one at a time, whisking thoroughly after each addition. Finally, gently fold in the 1/2 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt until just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your delicious batter ready, it's time for the oven. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease and flour your 8x8-inch baking pan, or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. Carefully pour the brownie batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial for perfect brownies. Once out of the oven, let your brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This cooling period, typically at least 2 hours, allows them to set properly and prevents them from crumbling when cut. Once fully cooled, lift them out using the parchment paper or carefully invert the pan. Cut into 16 equal squares, approximately 2 by 2 inches each, and enjoy your wonderfully easy homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.